Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and I just love using Google Maps timeline to show off every place I've been. At least every place I've been since it started recording, which for me was about 2011. Every place you see a red dot is someplace where we've been. I could also show you just where we've been in 2021. For example, every place there's a red dot we went to. Now, how did I get here? Let me show you. You just need to be on a web browser and you go to maps.google.com. And you need to make sure that you are signed in with your Google account. That's where your location history is stored. If you click the three lines over on the left and then your timeline, that's how you get to this screen. You can also see it on a mobile device, either iPhone or Android, as long as you are using the Google Maps app and you are signed in with your account and have location services turned on, location history turned on in your Google account. Now you tap on the account button and you see your timeline right there. Now, the first time I came in here, I was distressed that it looked like I could only see one day at a time. What I'm seeing on the screen right here is just where I've been today. If I tap today, I can choose another day, but I can't choose a whole year like I can on the computer version. I can see every place I've been, though, if I tap on Places. It's exactly what it shows you, 2,712 places. This is looking a little more like the version on the computer. I could also choose cities. Or world just puts one marker for each country that we've been in. So that is Google Maps timeline, how to see every place you've